Hey Lake Wales, check out what the Lake Wales Arts Council has for November. On the weekend of November 9th and November 10th, the Arts Council will be hosting their first Plein Air Symposium at Block Tower Gardens. Led by experienced instructors, explore the fundamentals of plein air painting while enjoying the serene gardens in this great hands-on learning session. The workshop will be 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., lunch will be provided, and tickets are available online. On Friday, November 15th, Lake Wales Live returns to downtown Lake Wales, hosting Jazz Funk with the Lake Wales Jazz Connection. Led by drummer Paul Gavin, experience an evening filled with vibrant live music, delicious food, and local vendors. Music starts at 6 p.m. and admission is free. The following day, on Saturday, November 16th, wear your favorite pair of cowboy boots and join us at the Lake Wales Arts Center for the Fiddles and Fine Art Auction. This event features a live and silent auction showcasing local artwork, music instruments, and community-donated pieces, all to support youth arts education in Lake Wales. Tickets include an auction paddle, heavy hors d'oeuvres, and a chance to bid on items by Paul O'Neill, Andrew Combs, and Sandy Mayalea. Don't miss it! To learn about upcoming events, concerts, and programs, visit lakewalesartscouncil.org.